Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got an update on the AirFlo project. What we got going here? Got some new windows installed today. We got this thing gutted out a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna put a roof kit on here. New metal on the bottom. It's gonna have brand new lights. This thing is ugly as hell right now, but guess what? It's gonna be pretty when I'm done. Just like everything we do over here at Morrow Custom Trailers. Ugly trailers turned into something that makes people money. Small business on wheels. It doesn't need to be a camper. I'm gonna finish it all the way until basically it'll still be empty, but it'll have new floors, new walls, new ceiling, new AC, new electrical, new outlets, new windows, new metal, new floors. Everything is going to be brand new on this thing except for the underneath, part, which this thing goes down the road great. So it'll have new wheels, new tires, new everything, man. So follow the updates over here at Morrow Custom Trailers on Facebook, morrowcustomtrailers.com. Stay tuned. Please share, please like, please subscribe.